This might be the coolest pre-K school I've ever seen, and it's opening right here in Northwest ISD. If you have a little one at home, this is definitely something you'll want to know about. Hi friend, I'm Oriana, your real estate bestie, and I share updates about schools, neighborhoods, and what it's really like to live in North Fort Worth. Because when families are deciding where to live, schools are usually a big part of that decision. Northwest ISD is opening a brand new campus called the Dr. David Hicks Early Childhood Center, and it's scheduled to open in August 2026. This will actually be the first school in the district designed entirely for pre-K students. Instead of traditional classrooms, the entire campus is designed around play-based learning. That means kids learn through exploring, building, pretending, and interacting with their environment. There are areas where kids can pretend they're construction workers, a mini town where they can role-play everyday life, nature-inspired learning spaces, and even areas where they can explore science and space. Everything is built to help little learners move, create, and discover while they learn. The school will serve families in the Eaton High School feeder pattern, and enrollment will happen through a pre-K lottery starting this spring. So if you live in this area and have a future pre-K student, this is definitely something to keep on your radar. My daughter Camila actually doesn't qualify for this upcoming school year, but I'm definitely hoping we can get her into this program next year. Honestly, if your child could go to a school like this, would they love it? If you're thinking about moving to Northwest ISD or North Fort Worth, I share updates like this all the time. Schools, neighborhoods, and local things families should know about. So don't forget to subscribe so you never miss it. Because as your real estate bestie, my goal is to help you make decisions about where to live without feeling overwhelmed.